Hello everyone, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. I'm going to show you how to build some microgreens. Microgreens are the tops of different vegetables, even fruits that you plant. For instance, I'm doing black sunflower. Sorry, couldn't think of it for a second. I need more lion's mane. Black sunflower seed, and so I'm going to let the sunflowers grow to about here, about that height, and then I'm going to snip them and eat them. They're delicious. So I'm going to show you how I do it and how I fertilize my soil. So I just have these little things. I have some normal potting soil, and how I like to fertilize is I use this here is eggshells dried out, and that's that's oranges dehydrated, ground up into a powder. So I'm just going to mix them like this. And I'm going to mix this into the soil. People say they can't hear me in my videos, so I'm going to talk a little louder so maybe you can hear that, because a lot of people are telling me that they can't hear what I'm saying. I am a mumbler and a low talker. Sorry guys. So you see what I did there? I'm just putting this into my soil. This is so good. This is a beautiful fertilizer. This is like a magic little powder for your garden, outside, or anything that you're growing. And it keeps the bugs away. Like the slugs and that won't even go near it because of the citrus. And then that, the egg has so much goodness for vegetables and different things. So I'm just kind of mixing it loosely. Yes. And these little microgreens, they grow pretty fast. They're really exciting to grow, and I have a hard time not eating them. As they're growing, I'm like snipping away at them, but they're so easy to do. It's beautiful. If you could smell this soil right now, guys, from the essential oils that were in the oranges, that's where the essential oils are, is in the peels. So it smells like really good, the soil. Looks really good too. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to add some seeds. You don't have to be very particular. They come up really fast. I just get these at the dollar store. They have like a see-through cap that's going to go on, and I'm going to set them up here in the sunlight. So I think that's good. I'm not going to make them real deep. I'm just going to do this. What comes up? What comes up? They're going to be fine. They're going to be so delish. And, another one that I like, this is my favorite, the sunflower seed, but I also like broccoli. Broccoli, microgreens. Oh, yum. They're all good, actually. Just grow vegetables, and before the vegetables come, eat the tops. So I'll keep you guys updated on how these are coming. There's how it looks. Lovely. Guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, and if you could hit like, this is going to help me a lot. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and grow some microgreens.